Hello everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be cooking my 3 holiday veggie side dishes that are a great addition to your holiday dinner table. We'll start with my lemony asparagus with Parmesan cheese. Let's start by blanching your asparagus. Place your asparagus in simmering water and add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon. Cook for about 3 minutes. Place in a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. This will ensure crispy green asparagus. Transfer to a paper towel and dry gently. In a medium-sized pan over medium heat, add butter, melt gently, and add your asparagus. Add salt and pepper to taste. Using 1 lemon, zest over asparagus while still warm to release all of the lemon oils. Grate your Parmesan cheese and finish your dish with more Parmesan cheese. I hope you give this dish a try. Make it your own. Add some crispy shallots or some herbs. And now for my garlicky mushrooms with fresh parsley. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, add olive oil, your butter, and sliced mushrooms. Here I'm using small cremini mushrooms. They're very nutty and flavorful. Add your sliced mushrooms to your butter oil mix. Give it a good stir to coat your mushrooms. Add your garlic and stir away. Add half of your fresh parsley to really infuse that parsley flavor. And add your thyme. And now cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water has evaporated. Add salt and pepper to taste. And top with your remaining fresh parsley. My mushrooms are rich and flavorful with a delicate garlic finish. And now for my beet salad with goat cheese and a reduced balsamic vinegar. It is a fresh addition to a hearty holiday meal. We'll start by preparing your beets. Wash and drain your beets, slice the ends off, and leave the skins on. Place them in a small square of aluminum foil or parchment paper with a little bit of oil. Wrap tightly. Place them in a 400-degree oven for 60 minutes or until tender. In the meantime, let's get started with our balsamic reduction. Using a 1 cup measuring glass container, add your balsamic vinegar. In a small saucepan over medium-high heat, bring your balsamic vinegar to a gentle boil and let boil for about 3 minutes. Reduce your heat to medium and continue to cook for about 30 minutes or until reduced by half and it coats the back of your spoon. If you like your balsamic vinegar a little sweet, add 1 tablespoon of sugar while it's simmering. Remove your beets from the oven and making sure they are fork tender. And allow them to cool for about 30 minutes. Using a paring knife, remove the skins. For my salad, I'm using microgreens. They are packed with flavor and look very festive. Slice your beets. Arrange your sliced beets accordingly to however you want. I also made a family-style beet salad on a larger platter. Garnish with goat cheese, fresh thyme leaves, and chopped hazelnuts for an added crunch. And lastly, top with your balsamic vinegar. This salad is fresh, tangy, and oh so sweet. Hope you give it a try and make it your own. Make sure to check out my other videos on how to make all these tasty dishes that you see on my Christmas dinner table. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.